Hi, boys and girls. We're going to work a little bit on sequencing today. So I am going to read out loud a story to you. It has lots of L blends in it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to work on sequencing the events in the order in which they occurred in the story. So I'll go ahead and start reading. Our title is Blake's Blender. Blake had a black blender. He put some blueberries in his blender. He also added some blackberry yogurt. Blake began to blend and blend without the lid. Oh no! Mom got a blob of blue on her blouse. Blake blushed. I'm sorry, Mom. So then what you're going to do is you're going to think about these numbers are movable. Okay? Let me get you back on the screen here. Okay, so the numbers are movable. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide the numbers over to what event happened first. So you can kind of think about in that first picture, it looks like Mom's not that happy. Did that happen first? We've got over here, we've got a little boy holding onto a blender. Over here we have the blueberries, and then over here we've got the yogurt. So you got to think about which one of those things happened first. So I'm thinking here it says that Blake had a black blender, and that looks like Blake and a blender. And then we've got in that he put some blueberries in his blender. So you got to think about what illustration matches that.